using clipping mask within Photoshop. So first things first, you're going to need to open up a new document. So you go to File, New, Blank File, and on the screen here make sure that you are selecting transparent here. You want it to be transparent, and whatever size that you would like. I'm going to use this for the example. Select it, and there you have it. So next you're going to type in the word. So you click on the text icon, text type tool over here, and choose whatever font you want. I recommend you choose a font that is fat, because for clipping mask you need to be able to see the images inside the letters. So I am going to use ALHS as my example, and I do not want it to be white right now, so I'll change it to black. And once I have it set how I like it, click on the arrow, and you can drag it and resize it however you choose. And there you go. Click on the little check mark down here. It says yes, that's how I want it to look. And we're good. Next you need to decide whatever image you want to have as the background. Whatever image you want it to have as the background or inside the letters, go to that file, open that file. For the example, I'll be using this rainbow color. That's fine. And it opens it as a separate image, you can see down here at the bottom. So now I need to select and copy this picture to insert it as the clipping mask for the ALHS. So on your keyboard you're going to hit Control A to select it all, Control C to copy it, and then you're going to go back over here to ALHS and hit Control V. And you can see it pastes it right here in the document, and you can resize it. You want to resize it so that it fits over whatever words you're using, and then hit the check mark. Alright, in the palettes layer over here on the right you can see that the rainbow is above the ALHS, and that's what you want. You want it to be directly above the letter that you're going to be creating the clipping mask for. Select it and go up to Layer, Create Clipping Mask. Now you have it as the inside of your letters for ALHS. And lastly, I like to add a stroke around the edge because it helps it stand out when you use the image in some other document. So you are going to select the ALHS here, go to Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings, click on Stroke. As you can see, it puts the outline around the ALHS. You can change it to whatever color you like here, whatever you prefer. Just going to leave it black for the example. And the intensity of the outline here, whatever you choose, hit OK, and there you have it. Now it's very important that when you save it a certain way, or it's just not going to work. Your goal is to not have the big white box around ALHS that you see a lot of times in clip art or some things you use in PowerPoint. So when you go to File, Save As, you're going to change your format here to a TIFF, a TIFF file. Alright, name it whatever you want to call it. And then click Save. And this is going to pop up, this TIFF option screen pops up. It's very important that you have Save Transparency down here at the bottom. Click OK, OK again, and you are all done. You have now saved your clipping mask file as a TIFF, and you can insert it into any document you like with no white square around it.